With a magnitude of 9.5 on the Richter scale, Chile's earthquake on May 22, 1960 was the strongest superquake ever recorded in modern history. Our twisted terremoto is shaken to perfection. Chill a coupe and put to one side. Prepare a pineapple leaf garnish. Grenadine and pineapple juice are two of the three classic ingredients of the country's famous terremoto cocktail. The third is pipeño, a cultural term in Chile that means wine of and for the people. Freshly squeezed lime juice is now needed to balance all of these ingredients. Green Chartreuse is a historic French liqueur which has a very distinctive, spicy and herbal flavour. Hepple Gin uses pioneering methods to produce a spirit that is bursting with zesty lemon and the herbaceous notes of juniper and pine. Add cubed ice and shake for 10 seconds. Open. Dip taste. Empty ice from the coupe. Fine strain. Affix the pineapple leaf onto the rim of the coupe. Rinse equipment and replace. Present and serve.